6901 Monroe, Padlock renovation. Come in small trash out, table and chair and back porch area. It needs to be removed. Wooden floors, I don't know if you can see in the video. Has scratches and surface scratches. Needs to be checked out. Several markings on the walls. Appears he's going to the painter is going to roll all the way to the ceiling. Kitchen linoleum has cracks in it, tears. Got all hairline. Needs to be checked out. Refrigerator and freezer has everything. Needs to be cleaned up. Same with dishwasher. Stove as well. Towel rack is loose. Right there. Light glue. Same on the back of the toilet. Needs to be reinstalled. Handrail for the stairs is loose. Also has a crack in it. Needs to be checked out and repaired. Hairline crack. The ceiling. Missing knob on the bathroom vanity. Sink stopper works. Toilet and seats tight. Towel rack is loose. Toilet paper holder's tight. Towel rack's loose ×2, repair. Toilet seat holder is tight. Sink stopper works. See no water damage. More markings on the walls. That's about it.